Hello and welcome everyone to this week's COT review. I'm Thomas from COTBase.com, and today we're going to be looking at the 26th Commitments of Traders Report of 2025. As we always do, we're going to start off by looking at the largest changes in commercials net position. So we have commercials, large speculators, and small speculators, or as CFTC calls them, non-reportables, in the classic or legacy COT report type. That's what we're looking at right now. There's, of course, multiple report types available at COTBase.com. We are analyzing the futures and options data combined. And as you can see, we have crude oil on top of our list with a 21% change in commercials net position. This, of course, is a change size compared to a 52-week time horizon. On this market, this is a bullish COT change signal suggesting strengthening early next week. If we move to a 5 years chart, then we can see that the whole market was more in a bearish territory. What's important to know about crude oil is there's two different markets. There's the Brent and then there's the WTI crude oil. So I would strongly advise anybody who is trading this market to look at the other COT report, analyze that separately to come to some sort of a conclusion. The next market for the review is going to be cocoa. Here we have a 20% change in commercials net position. Once again, this is a bullish COT change signal. However, we've already seen the market react to the signal. Of course, these reports are showing the Tuesday's close. So the report date is for June 24th, but it is issued on a Friday. So there's a bit of a lag over there, unfortunately. It is what it is. This signal suggests that we could see this rise continue early on next week. Moving to a 5 years chart, we can have a chance to examine the COT Extreme situation over here. So in case of cocoa, we have, of course, had this commercial capitulation where commercial participants receive margin calls. And as they do close their hedging position, that can fuel the rally further. So if we take this 5 years time horizon, then you can see that the recent net position for commercials is roughly in between the most bullish and the most bearish COT Extreme levels. So there's really not a huge extreme, at least on this 5 years time horizon. If we take a 2 year time frame, then of course this definitely leans towards the bullish side of things. Moving on to wheat, the Kansas City wheat. Here we have a 19% change in commercials net position. This is a bearish COT change signal. We had a larger than average change, bearish COT change signal a week ago. That was a successful signal pushing the market lower. Let's see what happens next week. Can this trend continue? Moving to a 5 years chart, you can see that we are not far away from these bullish COT Extreme levels. All over grains, I'd say that there is more of a bullish situation when it comes to COT Extreme analysis. Moving on to large speculators COT Extreme analysis, let's look at the largest COT Extremes in large speculators net positions. I'm going to stop here for just 1 second to let you know that if you are new to COT analysis here at COTBase.com, you will find a lot of educational material, not only in written format, but we do have some very useful videos as well that can guide you through the analysis process. Of course, we have our YouTube channel. If you would like to subscribe and hit the notifications button, then you would be notified whenever we come up with a new video. I should point out that for a couple more days, we still have the summer deals available. It ends the end of this month. You can take advantage of our great prices for our most popular services. And let's get back to the review. So we have the dollar index on top of our list when we order markets based on largest COT Extremes in large speculators in that position. This is a 223 report extreme, so that means that it took traders 223 reports, so roughly the same amount of week, or weeks to reach this level, right? Commercials have not been here since 2021. So it is a bullish COT extreme. It can grow to greater levels, of course. And I should point out that this is the COT data on the dollar index. I should point out that we've actually created the true US dollar index, which is something unique to COTBase.com. You can actually look at a more advanced data set for the dollar index. I would stop here for a second and just show you our unique iCOT intraday indicator. This is the Euro US dollar currency pair, and this is a 1 minute candlestick chart with our wonderful tool, the iCOT Intraday Indicator, that is bringing COT analysis down into the real-time trading arena, something very, very unique. And if you'd like to check that out, then come to our homepage, Indicators, and you'll see all the different indicators that we have to offer. Okay, continuing our review with coffee, here we have an 84 report extreme in large speculators net position. We had a bearish COT extreme for quite some while. It seems that this has taken its effect. The market has cooled down a bit, and of course, as it is coming down, we are not surprised to see traders shifting their positions accordingly. Now, is this a bullish extreme? I would argue that there's definitely space left to reach much greater bullish COT extreme levels. The ones that I'm just showing to you are all areas where commercials are actually net long, and large speculators have gone net short. Now, right now, commercials are still net short and commercials are still net long. So I would argue that this trend that being initiated since February of this year can easily continue before we get that very solid signal from the commitments of traders report. The last market for this review is the Canadian dollar, where we have a 65 report extreme. And to be very honest, it is not really an extreme that we'd act upon similarly to coffee. The last territory where we had this bullish extreme was just preceding this bottom over here. So commercials reaching about 200,000 contracts net long, large speculators reaching about 200,000 contracts net short, was a very successful signal, even though the Canadian dollar actually did a lower low over there. It bounced back up and it's headed to higher territories right now. So that is going to be all for this review. As you can see, there's a lot to do here at COTBase.com. If you have a specific market that you trade, let's say it's the Canadian dollar, then you actually have the ability to dig into the data. And by data, I mean really everything that you could imagine is at your disposal. If you are a pro member, you actually can download the data from our database for your use. So there's a lot to do here. If you have any questions, feel free to comment underneath the video or send us an email to info@cotbase.com. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you guys will have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you next week for my next COT review. Take care. Goodbye.